Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Just wanted to do a quick video showing you some upgrades that I did. I went ahead and I changed my side skirts to a full S-FACTOR fabrication. I also did the rear side, so this just gives the car a complete look. I had mixed, different splitter kits. I had here in the front the S-FACTOR fabrication, and then I had a third-party universal side skirt and also rear. And I just thought it looked really odd, so I wanted a more cleaner look, so I went ahead and I bought the rest of the kit by S-FACTOR Fabrication. I think the car looks real nice now, and just looks more complete. But there it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I know most of you liked it, the other side skirts, based on my social media and Instagram, but I just thought it was a little too much. I think it made things a little excess, so I think this just makes it a nice, cleaner look. Setup is the same, guys. It goes with on the bottom, I had to use 2 jacks. My car's super lowered, so I had to use the stock jack that comes with the vehicle to lift the car, and then use a secondary jack. Either way, you're gonna need 2, because the size of the side skirts and the length requires you to go ahead and have both points on at a time to make things easier. But if you're at a height from the stock height, then I think you can probably do it from the bottom. If you get down the bottom of the car and you just lift a little bit, you can just do it. I had to use 2 jacks. Again, goes in with self-tapping long screws, and pretty easy. The rear ones, you use nuts and bolts on the left side. You replace the secure clips that come with the vehicle. You take those off, and then you put the screw with a bolt and you just tighten it. That goes for the front and back on the left hand side, driver's side. On the other side, you use the same process on the first screw, which is located on the farther out towards the tire, and then the last screw gets bolted on with a self-tapping long screw as well. And that is it. It's pretty easy, but it is a little hectic if your car is lowered. It takes time. I do recommend 2 people for this side right here. Definitely makes job easier. I tried doing the first one by myself and it was a pain. So tip, use 2 people for this side, will make things much easier. Just enough so that you can get the front screw, a back screw, maybe a center screw, and then you can do the rest on your own. But there it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Booster Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day.